but today I'm going to show you how to test your alarm system on the burglary portion. Now last week we did our fire portion. If you guys see our smoke detector, it's up there. That's our smoke detector that's hooked up to our alarm system. Alright, but now we're going to be testing the burglary portion. Now the burglary portion is made up of basic door sensors. Now door sensors monitor the status of the door. So let's say, now I have it set to chime mode. This is disarms, like I set the alarm. Now if I open the door, this will monitor the door status, and when the status is broken, it'll send a signal to the main unit, and that will send a signal to our extra keypad that I'm going to be demonstrating with. So open the door. Okay, you close it. Now you notice it says not ready, chime, and the ready lights are out. Close the door. Ready light comes back on, status is normal. Okay. Also, you have a motion detector, which I'll show you that. This is a motion detector. This is a motion detector. This will shoot a beam that will look for a human intruder. This relies on passive infrared, which is a heat, which it'll detect moving heat. Okay, so it looks for moving heat, and when it sees the temperature rises and it sees moving it, that's how it knows there's a human intruder. So let's go back. Let's do our test. So when testing your unit, you obviously want to arm a system. So there's 4 ways of arming: away, stay, maximum, and instant. Now, away I use when I'm leaving. Stay I use at night. Max you rarely will use instant and max. Some people use instant for they're going to bed and they know no one's gonna open a door. That's when, because if you set it to instant, it'll trip the alarm instantly. Maximum is the same as away, but no delay when you come in. So they're going to set it for away, because I want to demonstrate the entry delay. So you enter your code and away. Okay, you hear our other keypad beeping. It says away. The red armed light is on. Now to arm the system in away, you want to make sure the system knows that you want to trick the system and thinking that you're gone, but you're really testing it. So, open a door, we leave. Now, the reason why they give you a delay to leave, because if you're armed instantly, and you come in the door, it's going to fire an entry delay. Alright, that final, see how it's beeping fast? That's your final 10 seconds. Okay, so now we're armed away. So I'm going to open a door, and we're going to trip the entry delay, which you'll hear our keypad say disarm system now. If you don't disarm it, it'll trip the alarm. We're not going to disarm it until our alarm sounds. So here we go. So I'm going to give it a few minutes to go into its alarm. Right now I'll turn it off. Give it a few seconds and then I'll turn it off. So right now you would shut your system off. If that doesn't, so we'll give it a few seconds. Alarm. We'll give it a few seconds for it to talk. If it doesn't, I'll turn it off. See? One more time, I'll shut it off. See? I'll give it for the keypad and then I'll shut it off. So, our status, alarm, front door, and our status. So we'll turn it off. Okay, so when you have an alarm event, you're going to want to reset it twice. That's because when you have an alarm event, you want to enter it twice. So, want to enter it again, and off. is how to test your system.